Early bird today. Should be any moment. I'm just going to do the spin and see what I get. Cross fingers I get something good out of early bird and the spin. Anyways, let's wait for early bird.
No, you tell him not to play football in the house, not soccer. So maybe that's why he's confused. Alright, so I'm gonna put one goal right here and another goal all the way over there. All this furniture. Just put it outside. Let's go, let's go. Everybody, grab him and put him outside.
I'll pause it and I'll tell you when he spawns. Okay guys, he just said early bird, so we got to get ready. Early bird time, guys. What's he gonna spawn? 10x luck, okay. Secret, I knew it! Alright guys, see you soon for my Lucky Block opening. Bye.